Is it time to buy or sell Meta stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Meta. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 8th of May, 2025. And now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get a free price prediction and deep analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 1st of May 2025, our system has ranked Meta as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 3.39. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this period. The stock has experienced a gain of 4.51%. This translates to an average return of 0.75% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of negative 23.35% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 42.85% to negative 23.35%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 24.28%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary between 2.36% and 60.27% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $612.13 and $958.44. Our latest daily update for Meta includes the headline, Green Day on Thursday for Meta stock after gaining slightly more than 1/5%. The Meta stock price increased by slightly more than 1/5% on the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 8th of May, 2025. The price rose from $596.81 to $598.01. During the trading day, the stock fluctuated by 2.46%, with a low of $596.62 and a high of $611.30. The price has risen in 8 of the last 10 days and is up by 12.17% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day, along with the price, which is a positive technical sign. In total, 887,000 more shares were traded than the day before, with approximately 14 million shares bought and sold for around $8.37 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $740.89, while the lowest price was $442.65. Currently, the price is 19.28%, or $142.88, below the 52-week high of $740.89, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Meta Platforms is making significant strides in technology and leadership, which could greatly influence its stock performance. Regarding innovation, the company is reportedly exploring super sensing technology to enhance its smart glasses lineup. By prioritizing an artificial intelligence boost despite privacy concerns, Meta positions itself at the forefront of consumer technology, potentially attracting more users and increasing sales. Additionally, the appointment of Robert Fergus, a former Google DeepMind director, to lead Meta's artificial intelligence research lab signals a strong commitment to advancing this field. This high-caliber recruitment could enhance Meta's competitive edge, particularly in areas such as advertising performance and user engagement, which are vital for generating revenue. Financially, Meta has been a standout among its peers, showcasing strong first-quarter results with significant beats on revenue and earnings per share. This reinforces its resilience in a complex market environment. Current evaluations suggest a forward price-to-earnings ratio of 22.1 times, with expected earnings per share growth of over 12% year-on-year, indicating that investor sentiment remains optimistic for the long term. Short-term market dynamics also favor Meta, especially as the technology sector shows earnings resilience. As the markets react to broader economic conditions, Meta's ability to adapt and innovate may lead to a sustained rise in its stock price, making it an attractive option for investors. With a solid foundation in artificial intelligence and a clear vision for hardware integration, the prospects for Meta stock appear robust in both the near and distant future. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 1st of May, 2025, it was reported that KeyBank assigned Meta an overweight rating with a hold action. On Thursday, the 1st of May, 2025, it was reported that Susquehanna assigned Meta a positive rating with a hold action. On Thursday, the 1st of May, 2025, it was reported that Cantor Fitzgerald assigned Meta an overweight rating with a hold action. On Thursday, the 1st of May, 2025, it was reported that UBS assigned Meta a buy rating with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 22nd of April, 2025, it was reported that Roth Capital assigned Meta a buy rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Meta stock a general buy rating. They consider the price-to-earnings ratio as a sell and the price-to-book value as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Meta. The chart presents mostly positive signals today. The Meta stock shows buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a favorable outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between these two averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In the event of a downward correction, support is anticipated at $585.66 and $558.54. A decline below either of these levels would generate sell signals. A buy signal was triggered from a pivot bottom point on Monday, the 21st of April, 2025, and since then, the stock has risen by 23.39%. Further increases are expected until a new top pivot point is established. Moreover, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. The volume is increasing alongside the price, which is regarded as a strong technical signal. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence. Buy signal. Pivots. Buy signal from 14 days ago. Bollinger. Buy signal from 5 days ago. Short-term moving average. Buy signal from 13 days ago. Long-term moving average. Buy signal from 7 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages. Buy signal from 5 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average. Buy signal from 11 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal from 33 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 32 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support risk and stop loss for Meta. Meta finds support from accumulated volume at $586, and this level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction is anticipated when the support is tested. This stock can experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. The large prediction interval based on the Bollinger Band categorizes this stock as high risk. In the last day, the stock fluctuated $14.68 between its highest and lowest points, which represents a change of 2.46%. Over the past week, the stock exhibited an average daily volatility of 2.95%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Meta, let's briefly review some important fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This key metric assesses a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This represents a relatively normal PE ratio, often typical for companies with established histories or predictable revenue streams. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 30th of July, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at $5.70. It's important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Meta. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Meta is at $625.66. If you do not currently own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Meta faces its first support level at $586. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Meta from multiple analyst sources is buy. Now, let us examine some recent insider trades. On the 5th of May, 2025, Olivan Javier conducted an insider sale of 608 shares of Class A common stock. On the 2nd of May, 2025, Zuckerberg Mark conducted an insider sale of 17,061,801 shares of Class B common stock. On the 2nd of May, 2025, Zuckerberg Mark also conducted an insider purchase of 17,061,801 shares of Class B common stock. On the 2nd of May, 2025, Alfred Peggy conducted an insider sale of 700 shares of Class A common stock. On the 29th of April, 2025, Newstead Jennifer conducted an insider sale of 921 shares of Class A common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined the insider power to be negative with a ratio of 0.167. Overall, insiders purchased 17,245,004 shares and sold 17,185,933 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $577.56, reflecting a decrease of 3.42%. This stock exhibits significant daily fluctuations, which introduces a higher level of risk. The relative strength index over 14 days stands at 79, further amplifying the risk involved. Additionally, there is a buy signal that originated from a pivot bottom identified 13 days ago. Is Meta stock a good buy? Several short-term signals are positive. Despite the stock being in a declining trend, we conclude that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for the stock to perform well in the short term. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 9th of May, we expect Meta to open higher by approximately $3.97. Starting at around $601.98. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.